Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about prom. The clamshells, we use those forever. Not very glamorous. You have these beautiful flowers, but you want to make them more fabulous. How easy is it to upgrade? Set your flowers in and have a beautiful thing. What is this? It's nothing more than a cupcake box. Yes, it comes flat, so easy storage. Has a little container that fits on the inside that can hold a vessel. So if you were doing a corsage, easy peasy. If you were doing a bouquet, you can take it, set in a vessel of water, and then add in the bouquet. How perfect is that? Another option, also very easy because it stores flat, is to use the coffee holder. Look how perfect. Add a little bit of shred into the bottom, pop in the boutonniere, pop in the bouquet. You have one-stop carrying. Too many fabulous options to do much more than the standard clamshell. Now you know how the pros do it.